Hello guys, welcome to Web World Tech. In this video, we are going to talk about the installation process of Node.js in Mac system. But don't worry, it is a common process. You can use the same in the other OS also. There will be slight difference, but you can get that details easily. Uh, so let's start the video. You can see on the screen, I have opened a nodejs.org site. uh, this site, when you open it, it will automatically detect your OS and try to suggest you the relevant LTS version for Node.js, which you can download and install in your system. So for me, in Mac OS, it is currently suggesting as 12.18.3 LTS version. LTS, as you know, stands for long-term support. Let's click on this and download will start. So our download is completed now. Let's have a look at it. So this is the software package which is downloaded. Just double click on it. You'll see this thing is you'll see this pop-up will come up on the screen. Just click on continue. Again click on continue. This is the license agreement. You can go through it and click on agree. Continue. If you want to change your install location, you can do it from here, but I'll leave it as it is and click on install. Let's enter the password. You see my installation has started. It will take a couple of minutes to complete. So guys, Node.js is installed in my system now. Click on close. Now in order to understand whether Node.js is installed properly or not, let's open our terminal. Type node-v. This will give you the version. So exact version which I have downloaded and installed is 12.18.3, and you can see it is already coming up. One more thing which we need to look into here is npm. npm stands for Node Package Manager, and we need to see whether that is also available for us. So npm-v. So that is also available for us now in the system. So yeah, let's go to our code and create our first application. So you can see I'm using Visual Studio Code editor, and there are multiple other options also which you can use. You can use Sublime Text, you can use Visual Studio, and there are multiple other options, but I would like to use Visual Studio Code. It's kind of very handy for me. And yeah, so create a file, name it as app.js. Before that, I would like to tell you how to start your Node projects. So just write npm init. So this will give you a standard stuffs which is needed to create your package JSON. So what is package JSON now? So package JSON is kind of a place where you will see the different dependencies which you are using inside your project are listed down. So whenever you install, you need to give a command, and that will get added into your package JSON list. Also, it will have some of the commands which you would create in order to run your project, build your project, compile, and all the stuffs. So yeah, let's start it. Package name introduction. I'm not going to update this for now, but you can do it. Go ahead. The version is 1.0.0. Description, you can provide anything which is relative and which is relevant to your project. I'm going to give this is a sample project. Entry point is app.js, which is already created on the left side of the screen. You can see. Enter. Test command is something which command you are going to run your project. So in anything which is related to Node.js project has a startup file, and this in our project sample application app.js will be the startup file. So we'll start with node app.js. Git repository, it's not yet added, so let it be blank. Enter. Keywords, enter. Author, you can give it your name. Enter. Yes. Now you'll see there is a file package.json is created, and as we discussed earlier, this will have the list of dependencies. You will not find the dependency object here until unless we have added any. So till now we have not added any of the dependencies in this sample project. So this will remain as it is, and all the other details which we have filled here will be visible here. You can update it from this place also. So yeah, this is about the package.json file. Let's go back to our app.js. So now this is a web application, a hello world application type of sample. It's not mandatory, but I'm adding it because this with this command, this HTTP module will get saved in our package.json. Let's see it how. So you'll see package this installation is complete, and you will find this module HTTP added in our dependencies object, which is created just now. This is our first dependency which is required for this project, and that is added here. Now the next thing you will see, one more folder has been generated by npm, which is node underscore module. So any module which is you are installing, which is needed in your project, will get added inside this folder itself. Now let's go back to our app.js file, and let's implement this. So we have already installed a HTTP module, but now the next thing is like to use it. So the way we are going to do it is var HTTP equal to require HTTP module semicolon enter. So basically with the keyword require, I'm asking that the module which is installed in my project HTTP to be added in this particular file. So I'm going to use with the HTTP keyword. So HTTP dot create server function request response function. Now the next thing which you might think is like every application runs on a port. There has to be specific port on which the browser is going to call that application. So for doing so, our application will also need this. So we'll have to write dot listen port 3050. Now this application will start listening on 3050. But we need to send some response. Someone, if someone is calling our application on the browser, we need to send some response to that. So in order to do so, we'll do rest dot end hello HTTP module. Now let's run it. And as we discussed earlier, in order to run this application, we'll have to type command node hyphen startup file name, that is app.js. Enter. So everything looks fine. There is no error which has came up. Let's go to browser and check it. Localhost 3050. Our application is running and it's working on port 3050. If I make it 3000, it will break. If I make it 3050, it will again respond. So guys, this is our project first sample application which we have done with HTTP server. So hope you understood the basics and the startup of the Node.js installation and the sample application. In next video, we are going to catch up on Express topic. If you like it guys, thanks for watching.